It is thought that cats have 9 lives, but it's not true. I don't like being pet. The fact that my fur is shining in the sun and I smell like freedom doesn't mean that you have to bother me all the time. Years go by and leaves are falling, and I still haven't gotten outside. What is this magical force that holds me back? Something good's been cut out of my life, but I don't know what it is. Am I a good father? Will my son attend a good school? Dear diary, I am perfect. I should buy a boat.
Küsitakse ikka, et kuidas ma küll välja tulin nii suurelt.